How to use calendar view in Money Manager. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the calendar view in the Money Manager app. First, tap on Money Manager app. You'll land on the main dashboard. Now look for the calendar icon. In the navigation menu, you can see right here. Tap on calendar. This will open a calendar showing the current month. Now each day on the calendar shows a summary, usually a colored dot or total amount, indicating whether you had income, expense, or both. Tap on any date to see the detailed list of the transaction for that day. Like this, tap on it. Okay, you can see the total transactions made in this date right here. Swipe left or right to move to the previous or future months like this. You can quickly get an overview of your spending habits across weeks and months from here. And that's it. You can use the calendar view to spot the spending patterns, plan budgets, and identify days where you might want to cut back or save more. And that's it. Using calendar view in Money Manager makes tracking your finances visual and simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.